Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the second day of May in the year 2025, our system has identified Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.42. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a substantial gain of 16.02% since we initially recommended Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate 21 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.76% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and slightly upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth within this trend is anticipated. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 9.89% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between negative 18.78% and positive 17.99%. Considering the longer-term outlook, our analysis for the next 12 months points to a projected change of negative 39.7%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 64.73% to negative 39.98% over the coming year. In current terms, this would imply a future price range between 40.43 and 68.80. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for Advanced Micro Devices stock after gaining 3.52%. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price gained 3.52% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, rising from $110.73 to $114.63. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.46%, with a day low at $111.01 and a day high of $114.85. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days, and is down by 2.17% during this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 34 million shares bought and sold for approximately $3.89 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning about potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $187.28. While the lowest price was $76.48. Currently, the price is 38.79%, or $72.65, below the 52-week high, and 49.57%, or $112.67, below the all-time high on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $227.30. Recent developments surrounding Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, indicate both immediate challenges and long-term potential that could significantly impact its stock performance. As of the first day of June, AMD was experiencing a sluggish start to 2025, with shares down 9% year-to-date, reflecting broader market trends affecting United States chip stocks. The recent performance of NVIDIA has positively influenced semiconductor sentiment, providing a potential boost to AMD as it navigates cyclical hurdles and competition. On the technology front, the surge in artificial intelligence applications is projected to have a monumental $20 trillion impact on the global economy by 2030. AMD's ability to leverage AI as a key catalyst may enhance its growth prospects, especially with an upcoming investor day aimed at clarifying long-term AI revenue expectations. Additionally, the launch of Light Nava for treating wet age-related macular degeneration in Germany and the United Kingdom could create indirect opportunities for AMD, as advancements in healthcare technology often coincide with increased demand for high-performance computing solutions. In the short term, AMD's stock may face volatility due to current market conditions and a cautious investment climate. However, if the company effectively capitalizes on AI growth and demonstrates resilience through anticipated announcements, it could set the stage for a more favorable long-term outlook, thereby driving its stock price upward. Investors will be closely watching how AMD adapts and responds to these multifaceted challenges and opportunities ahead. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned AMD an overweight rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a neutral rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned AMD an outperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned AMD a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned AMD a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. There are mixed signals in the stock today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, and so far it has fallen 2.62%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot is discovered. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, abbreviated as MACD. The Advanced Micro Devices stock holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, providing a positive forecast for the stock. Moreover, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections downward, there will be some support from the lines at 112.41 and 102.83. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 41 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 22 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 28 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 5 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 136 cents and 96 cents with 84 cents. There is an inherent risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this support could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, Advanced Micro Devices finds support just below today's level at 136 cents. If this support is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at 96 cents with 84 cents and 88 cents with 70 cents. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with favorable trading volume, the risk is assessed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.84 between its high and low, equating to 3.46%. For the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 2.90%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of July. 2025. Analysts are projecting a consensus estimate of 63 cents. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can have a substantial effect on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $114.99. If you do not hold any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already owning the stock, this might be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, advanced micro devices faces its first support level at $100.36. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, Guido Philipp conducted an insider purchase of 8,800 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Papermaster Mark D conducted an insider purchase of 17,500 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Papermaster Mark D conducted an insider sale of 7,590 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Papermaster Mark D conducted another insider sale of 9,610 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Papermaster Mark D conducted an additional insider sale of 300 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 12.158. Overall, insiders purchased 666,675 shares and sold 889,950 shares in the last 100 trades. A recommended stop loss is set at $110.37, indicating a decline of 3.72%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, which suggests a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 12 days ago. Is advanced micro devices stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for advanced micro devices stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 3rd of June, we expect advanced micro devices to open lower by $1.13, beginning trading at $113.50. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us at Stock Invest.